Hi, it's Judy. I've been sitting for a couple weeks wondering what I could do to help out with humanity. As you know, I have a certification program teaching people how to literally go in like that instantly to heal themselves at a deeper level than they've ever experienced. Um, However, I'm trying to come up with something that is more equipped for everybody. And there is so much suffering going on in the United States, especially with the flooding, the fires. It's personally hit at home in the mountains of North Carolina with family members there. So my daughters are okay, and they were fortunate to only be without water, electricity, and internet for on and off for over a week. But a lot of people still do not have water, and their homes have been washed away. So I do want us to all take a minute, and you probably have already done that in prayer for people. That's great. So what I would like to offer anybody that would like to attend, that I would, every week, I will be offering a group workshop, I call it. It's with Real Healing Methods and Messages from the Angels. Messages from the Angels is my new name for my podcast TV show. And so I feel very divinely guided, very much, to offer a weekly group healing with any kind of teachings that come along with it. And then I also will be offering a one individual message in the group for one person. And I will offer, if we can, a group message for everybody there as well. So this is being offered three ways. It's a very low price, and you can do it week to week. If you sign up for the month for 4 times we're going to meet, then it is a discounted price. There's also an option I've never offered before that's new to Thrive cart that I use, and that is you name your price. So let's say you're in a position where you can't pay the $30 a week, and that's what a session is. Then you pay what you can pay. And if you don't have cash available, and that's okay, then you pay $0. So it's equipped for everybody, no matter where they are, to participate. I feel right now we all must come together in unity for truth, illumination, of love, of just community, and that's the most important thing we can do. So that's the purpose of this group. It'll start this Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you personally email me and there's enough people that respond and another time works better, I don't have a problem with that, to change it. It's not set in stone. To offer this as a recording to people that can't make it is not going to have the same input as people there that are literally having a session. And it is, like I said, a group session. Everyone will go off camera. Everything will be muted. I am divinely tapped into the group of what needs to be done, where the suffering is, where changes need to be, and we will go with that as a group. As time goes on, you will be able to personally tell me where you are of something you would like to clear. And on a collective level, that's what we're working on the collective energy of all of us, then that will also be taken care of. Now, I also go into a page that will explain it all to you. Make sure you watch it, and it will also tell you in a personal, down-to-earth way of what you're going to benefit. Now, some people listening to this video has already worked with me, and so you know how powerful the healing is. So I welcome you to come. Like I said, this is for everybody. And you can, okay, so back to the recording. There isn't right now, I'll record it, but I don't see sending it out if you have attended and you want to go through the healing a second time, because sometimes we need that to really let go. So in the directions on the page you're going to click on will tell you what the 4 steps are. So I want you to understand up front how I go through this process and why it is so transformational and life-changing. And my wish for you, my desire, my prayer is that together the pain, the suffering, the trauma, the stress, the nervousness of everything that is going on will subside, and you will be able to get real clear. If you've got binders on and you're not seeing things in the awakening process, ask to have them be revealed, okay? And if you're fully open and you're okay, but maybe things have come at you so quickly, you just need to relax and chill out and release. So where we want to really be in all of it is neutral. And right now, I'm not completely neutral, right? I've had some personal things happen. And I know that probably everybody watching this is not neutral. So if it resonates with you, please sign up, read about it. I'm sending you much love and light. Thank you.